How can a simple equation predict the future? It sounds impossible, but algebraic models do just that. Let's dive into how this is even possible. Welcome back to the pyramids of algebra. Each pyramid unveils a new math skill. Previously we mastered these lessons, and next we'll uncover the art of algebraic modeling. In this video, I'll reveal two critical keys that have unlocked my students' understanding on this lesson. Don't go anywhere. We're about to reveal these secrets and see how they can help you too. Starting with the first key. Here you'll see how algebra allows us to predict things in the future. Imagine you run a small lemonade business. Each week you make $118 in income. If you track the first 3 weeks of revenue, this is what it will look like. If you continue with the same growth, what is the income on week 11? Now we could slowly record each day's income, or we could use algebra to approximate and predict what will happen in the future. Algebraic modeling is the skill of describing real-life events to algebra. So when we describe this pattern with algebra, the I represents the income value and the N represents the number of weeks. Before we use this to predict the future, what is the hidden operation that is between the 118 and the N? Completing the calculation, we can see on week 11, you will receive an income of $1,298. So all you need to know now is how to do the skill. Let's learn how to do this in the second key. In lesson 2, we translated words to algebra. Now we want to go from pictures and diagrams to algebra. Let's start with a simple problem. Write an algebraic expression that represents the number of counters. Each cup has the same unknown number of counters inside. We first need to pick a letter that represents the unknown number of counters in the cup. Let's pick N. In this example, we have a cup, so we write N, then we can visually count another 4 counters. So an algebraic expression that represents this scenario is N plus 4. In the next example, we have a cup plus another cup, or in other words, 2 cups. Then we can visually count another 3 counters. So an algebraic expression that represents this scenario is 2n plus 3. Now, since that you can do the simple examples, it is time for a challenge. The skill can be mastered with the game Pictionary. If you don't know the game, you work in pairs with a friend. One draws a picture of the scenario and the other needs to guess it before the time runs out. Let's play. I'll show you 3 drawings, one at a time, and you need to guess the algebraic expression. Let's see if you can get 3 from 3. The sand timer only has 3 seconds in this game. Remember, use the variable N to represent the unknown number of counters in the cup. Here is the first drawing. If you said 3n plus 4, you are correct. Here is the second drawing. If you said 5n plus 1, you are correct. Here is the third drawing. If you said n plus 12, you are correct. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.